Morning, my dear students. So today let me continue the same mathematics for grade 1, that is class 1, the lesson number unit number 6 of mathematics, fractions. You know the fractions. So for example, your mama gave you one apple, told you to share with your brother or sister. Then you are make it a half. Half you are going to eat and half you are going to give it to your brother or sister. That's called fraction. Half, making half out of one. For example, you want was pizza. That pizza, your father bought pizza, and you and your brother or sister, 2 members are there, and your father and mother, totally you made 4 pieces out of one pizza. Okay, then the making of whole one pizza into 4 pieces is called 1/4. This making half is called 1 1/2. This is called half. So this making whole into pieces, whole into parts is called as a fraction. That you understand. That's it. Maybe orange you are eating orange, you are sharing with your brother or sister, or you are eating a sandwich, making half out of one sandwich. You are sharing a sandwich with your brother or sister or your friend. Okay, that part is called share. That part is called sharing. That making one whole into half or 1/3 or 1/4 is called as a fraction. It's called as a fraction. Okay, let us understand by reading this. Let us start. You must have seen your elders do the following while sharing food and making a lemonade. Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರು ಮದರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಅಥವಾ ಅಣ್ಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನೋ ತಂದು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅರ್ಧ ನಿಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಧ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ತಂಗಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ತಮ್ಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವೈಲ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲೆಮೊನೇಡ್. ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಮೊನೇಡ್ ವಾಟ್? ಲೆಮೊನೇಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಮನ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆಮೊನೇಡ್, ಮೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಶುಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೆಮನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆಮೊನೇಡ್. ಆ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಲೆಮನ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಹಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ದಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೆಮೊನೇಡ್. Okay, this is one whole pizza. This is one whole pizza. Okay, this is half or 1/2 pizza. This is half or 1/2. ಒಂದರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಅರ್ಧ ಅದ ಇದು ಪೀಸಾ, ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಧ ಗಿರ್ಧ ಅಂತೀರಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ 1/2 or half. It's called half or 1/2. This is one whole lemon. This is one whole lemon. Okay, these are 2 halves of lemons. 2 halves of lemon, making 2 pieces of one whole lemon is called 2 halves of lemon. Okay, next is, let us read the story. I am very hungry. I want to eat that apple. I am very hungry. I want to eat that apple, said this. I am hungry too. I am hungry too. Let us ask mom to cut the apple into 2 equal halves. Okay, so sister says, I am hungry, I want to eat the apple. And her brother says, I am hungry too. Let us ask mom to cut the apple into 2 equal halves. Okay, mom, please cut this apple into 2 equal halves. Mom, please cut this apple into 2 equal halves. Sure, Jia, mama says. So this is something called a fraction. What do you understand from that above story? There is one whole apple which is to be cut into 2 equal parts. Which is cut into 2 equal parts. Okay, 2 equal part ನಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so now let's understand this in detail. The parts of a whole are called fractions. As I told you, the parts of the whole are called fractions. See the lemon cut into 2 equal halves. See the lemon cut into 2 equal halves. Half or 1/2 is written as 1/2. 1/2. One lemon is cut into 2 parts. This is called 2 halves, right? Then each half is a fraction which is one part out of two equal parts. Each half is a fraction which is one part out of two equal parts. We can say that 1 is equal to half plus half, or half plus half is equal to 1. This half plus half is equal to 1. Okay. So that is two 1/2 parts together make a one whole. Also, one whole is divided into two 1/2 parts. Half part plus half part is equal to 1. Or one can made two parts. This is called half plus half. 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to one whole. This is called fraction. Okay. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ರಾಗ ಎರಡು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ರಾಗ ಎರಡು ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ, ಎರಡು ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ. Now look at the picture alongside. There are four parts of a pizza. Now look at the picture alongside. There are four parts of a pizza. Each part is divided by 4. 1 by 4. This one whole pizza is made into one part, two part, three part, four part. That is called 1 is divided into 4. 1 is made into 4 parts. This indicates that one whole is made 4 parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. Okay. There are 4 parts of the pizza. Each part is 1/4. That is 1 by 4 or 1/4. This can be read as 1 by 4 or 1/4. Here each part represents a fraction. Each part represents a fraction. That is 1/4. That is 1/4. This is one whole lemon. This is one whole lemon. The lemon is cut into 4 equal parts. That is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/4 make one whole lemon. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 parts make one whole pizza. Okay? Understood? Right. Let us learn some more example based on that. 1/4 is a quarter. 1/4 is a quarter. Okay. So 4 quarters make one whole. Now you can say 1 equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, or 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equals to one whole. So here the 1 by 4 part, 1 by 4 part, 1 by 4 part, 1 by 4 part of orange is equals to one whole orange. This can be written 1 by 4 of orange, 1 by 4 of orange, 1 by 4 of orange, and 1 by 4 of orange. This can be made as one whole orange. One whole orange. This is called one whole orange. Okay? Clear? So, let us check. Mother shared a chocolate between Annu and Tinu. Tinu got half of a chocolate. Annu got half of a chocolate. See, Tinu got half of a chocolate and Annu got half of a chocolate of the whole chocolate. Whose share of a chocolate was more? Whose share of a chocolate was more? Same, right? Tinu got half chocolate, Annu got half chocolates. For example, I have one apple. I want to share with you, means I want to make it half. Half I give to you and half I eat. It means we had equal part of apple. We ate equal part of apple. Now let us do some exercise 6.1. Color half. Color half. This part, one whole it is. This is called as half part. This is called as half part. This is called as half part. And this is another half. This is one half, another half. One half, another half. One half, another half. One half, another half. Okay, like this will make a halves. Okay, so now let's do this. We will color this half. Okay, this is called half. Okay, and this is called half. Right, and this is called half. 1 half and other half is that. This is 1 half. Okay, and this is also 1 half. This is also 1 half. So these are called halves. Okay, clear? So now we have color the 1/4, means one whole is made into 4 parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So what we have to do is we have to color 1/4, means only one part of a 4 part. That is called 1/4 we have to color. This part we have to color 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4 plus 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 will 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 make a 1 whole. This portion of a fraction is called 1/4. 1/4. Okay, so this is not that. Only 1/4 part we have to color. 1/4 part we have to color. Now here, this is one more 1/4. 1/4. Okay, this is one more 1/4. Right? Okay. Clear? 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Right? Write the fraction, correct fraction for the colored part. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Means one part is colored out of 4. Means this is 1/4. This is one whole and half is colored. One whole, half is colored, means half portion is colored. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, one part is colored. This fraction is called 1/4. 1, 2. This one whole triangle is made into 2 parts. 1 part, 2 part. So this is 1 half. Right? So like this we have to make the fractions. This is called the fraction. Okay, the parts of one whole are called fractions. What fraction it is we have to understand. That's it. ಅದು ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1, 2, 3, 4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನದು ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲ್ನಾಗ 4ನೇ ಭಾಗ, ಒಂದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ನಾಗ 4ನೇ ಭಾಗ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಒಂದ್ರಾಗ 2 ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ಒಂದನಾಗ 2ನೇ ಭಾಗ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಇದ್ರಾಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಂಗ. ರೈಟ್? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್. Your friends were playing. Akshita had a chocolate bar. She gave half of her chocolate to her friend Kirti. She gave another half to her chocolate to Neeru. Kirti gave half of her share to Shalu. Color the fraction of the chocolate that Shalu got. For example, Akshata has a chocolate bar. She gave half to her friend Kirti. Half portion she gave to Kirti. This half part. This one whole and this half part is given to Kirti. Right? Now, another half chocolate to Neeru. She gave another half chocolates to Neeru. This is Neeru part. Consider this is Kirti part. You consider Kirti part, and this is she gave another half chocolates to Neeru. This is Neeru's part. Okay. Kirti gave half of her share to Shalu. Kirti. So this is Kirti part, and this half of her share given to Shalu. Okay. Color the fraction of a chocolate that Shalu got. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತು ಶಾಲುಗ ಅದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೋಡು, ಅಕ್ಷತಾ ಒಂದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಕೀರ್ತಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನೀಲುಗ ಹಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಲು. ಅದ್ರ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಶಾಲುಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಇದ್ದದ್ರಾಗ ಅರ್ಧ ಕೊಟ್ಲು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧದ್ರಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಕೊಟ್ಲು 1/4 ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅದು ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಆ 1/4 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಿಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾಲು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾಲು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಲರ್ ದ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಶಾಲು. Okay, this is share of a Shalu. Right? Clear? Okay? Right. Now we have one whole. 1 whole, word power 1 whole is equal to 2 half. 1 whole 4 quarters. 1 whole and 1 whole is can be divided 2 halves. 1 whole is equal to 4 quarters. Okay. Now, value and life skills. Rohan has 2 pastries. Rohan has 2 pastries. 3 of his friends join him. Rohan has 2 pastries. 3 of his friends join him. Now he has to share 2 pastries among 4. What should he do? What should he do? So 1 pastry means a cold cake is called a pastry. 1 and 2. This is Rohan. Rohan is having. Plus 3 of his friends joins. 3 of his friends joins. Now the Rohan has to share with his friends. Rohan has to share with his friends. He should offer 1 pastry each to only 2 of his friends. He should offer 1 pastry each to only 2 of his friends. Is it looks good? No. So we have to share with all friends equally. That time what we have to do? All friends equally. That time he should eat 1 pastry and divide the other pastry equally among his 3 friends. This is also wrong. When Rohan is having 2 pastries, 1 whole he eats, then another 1 whole made into 3 parts and shared with his friends. This is also not good. He should cut the pastry into half so that each of them has half a pastry. So, Rohan, what the third plan is? 1 pastry divided by 2 and another pastry is divided by 2. Rohan is 1 boy, another 3 of his friends joins. 1 plus 3 will become 4. This is the Rohan part. This is 1, 2, 3, his friend's part. So that time they are going to receive the whole equal parts. So according to me, this fraction is correct. According to me, this fraction is correct. Okay, my dear? Hope you understood. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. To enforce the concept of a whole or a half or 1/4, material required 4 equal sized quarter pieces of a circle of a 4 color each. Okay. Now example, 4 red pieces, 4 blue pieces, 4 green pieces and 4 yellow pieces. These can be made out of a chart paper. Activity. So this is school activity actually. You can do it at home. You take a 1 piece of paper which is circular, make that into 4 parts. Take another piece of a paper with different colors and make into 4 parts, and take another circle of the different colors, the card papers you can get. 1 circle is made into 3 parts, 4 parts. Another piece of paper made into 4 parts. For example, I can show you. So for that you need a color. If you have a colored papers, different types of card papers, if you have a colored papers, that could be better. Okay, so that you can easily recognize. Okay, so here I will take, instead of circular, I will take square or rectangle. Okay, the piece of paper which is in square or rectangle. Okay, so what I do is, this is 1 whole paper. I make this into 2 folds. So this is 2 folds of a paper. 1 fold and another fold. This is half plus half, you can say. The half plus half becomes 1 whole. Okay, then we have this 2 folds. Again I will make into another 2 folds. So what happens, you may check. So this is now it is of 1/4 part. So earlier it was half part. Earlier it is half and this was half. This was made and 4 parts again. Okay. Then this portion is called 1/4. This portion is called 1/4 and this portion is called 1/4. This portion is called 1/4. So what I do is I will cut and show you. The fold, if you want to understand, I will cut and show you. So this one whole is cut into 2 parts. Okay. This one whole is made into 2 parts. So this is a fraction. The one whole is made into 2 parts. 1 part, 2 part. This is half, half. Again, what I do is this I will make into like this. So this is called 1/4 portion and this is called 1/4 portion of one whole and this is called 1/4 portion of a whole. Okay, and this is called 1/4 portion of a whole. So this is exactly called as the fraction, the making of parts. So this is called 1/4 plus 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 made one whole. Okay. So this activity you have to do with using the different color paper. Now I have used yellow color. Instead of yellow color, you can take a pink, blue, whatever color is available, right? So like this we have to do the math slabs. Okay, clear? Hope you understood this time. Now fun activity, fun time. So here fun time. Draw the other half of the number and color it. Draw the other half of the number and color it. Which number do you get? This is look like a 3. If I draw other half this side, which number you get? Earlier half is called as this part is, we can say that 3. Other half will becomes a 8. Other half, if you join, it will make a 8. Write the difference between the two numbers. This is 8. Earlier it was 3. Difference is, write the difference between the two numbers. So here it is 3 and this is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. The difference of 8 and 3 is 5. Okay. This is the difference of two numbers. Okay, hope you understood. Let's integrate. Make a lemonade at home. Take a glass filled with a half chilled water and half regular water. Take a glass. Okay. The half filled with the chilled water. Chilled means fridge water. Okay. And half filled warm water, normal water. This is normal water. To this mixture, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar we have to add. Sugar. Also, the juice of half lemonade. Juice of half lemonade. The juice of half lemonade you have to put into this glass. 1 teaspoon of sugar, full sugar, and also 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So this is the teaspoon. So 1/4 means 1/4 spoon, the small part of salt. Small part amount of salt. That is called 1/4 spoon of salt. Okay, teaspoon of salt. Stir the mixture with a spoon. Stir the mixture with a spoon. Okay, spoon in the ತಿರುಗಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. Stir the mixture with a spoon. Your lemonade is ready. Drink it before you go to play. Drink it before you go to play. So this mixture is of vitamin C. Is rich of vitamin C. Lemon is rich of vitamin C. This will give you instant energy. Vitamin C plus sugar. These both will give you the immediate energy to play. Okay. So 1/2 glass of cold water, 1/2 glass of normal water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half lemonade. Okay. Then 1/4 teaspoon of salt mixed together, stir well and drink it before you go to play. So hope you do this activity. Prepare your lemonade. Lemonade andre nimbu juice antiralla, nimbu pani. Okay, hope you understood. I will wind up this class here only. This is all about the fractions. Okay, ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಗ ಹಾಫ್ ಚಪಾತಿ, ಹಾಫ್ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಕವ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪೀಸ್ ಕೊಡು, ಪಾವು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ರೋಟಿ ಚಪಾತಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ಅಥವಾ ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ತಂದ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಂದನಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಮನೆಯಾಗೆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Hope you understood this unit, the unit number 6, fractions. And I will wind up this class here only. We'll see you in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.